It's me, Smiley Face.
Yeah, it's my channel.
You're so rude.
Today we'll be making.
Noises with slime.
Yes, that's Alexa. Come here, Alexa.
Hi.
Okay, let's make slime. Just...
Ah! I'm the Smiley Face, and I can make better slime than that. Goodbye.
You have slime, so. Oh my.
Okay, now we're gonna play Who Stole Mom's Slime? Okay, so just gonna put that right there. Oh. Sorry. Give me the slime. So here is the slime, blue slime. See the slime. Okay, give me the slime. Okay, here it is. Okay. So I'm gonna go like this.
Yeah. Okay, like
I'm gonna pretend sleep.
Holding. We could go like this and make it this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, Grammy.
Mom woke up.
Say mom. Hi. Say hi, Mom.
Hello. Ah, Mom, I'm falling.
Okay, now we're gonna play. What slime am I thinking about? So let's get started. So come here. So now, what slime do I like?
Yellow slime.
What kind of texture?
Fluffy.
Yes, but do I like bubbly slime that makes noise? Yes. I like crunchy with the balls, like you know?
Yeah. So like what you do, like.
Yeah. She is a master of slime.
Because I made it myself.
That's
Marion, I did make it myself.
okay. You said your cousin made it.
With me.
Oh, her cousin made it with her. Is it a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Everyone's asking, is your
Okay, so I'm just gonna get something.
Bye. So everyone in the comments says, what is your cousin look like?
This is my slime. My slime.
Yes, that's the slimy. That's my partner's slime, man, and he is showing you slime. Oh, I popped it.
And also,
Everyone's asking what your cousin gender is.
My cousin's name is, by the way, Mackenzie.
Oh, your cousin is a girl.
Yes. And also, she likes video games.
So wait.
She's basically a boy and a girl. Gay.
He's transgender.
She likes boy video games.
But that doesn't mean that he's a boy.
No, she's a girl, but she likes boy stuff.
Oh, okay.
She also has a hedgehog, a lot of reptiles, and one cat.
Oh, wait. So what does she look like? Everyone's saying.
She has no glasses.
Okay.
Her hair is blonde.
What?
She is white.
What?
And she also likes video games.
Well, my cousin in Philippines is. I have 3 cousins.
I have 5. I have 5 cousins.
So
5!
Tell us, how did you make this?
The slime?
Yeah.
We used glue.
Yeah.
Baked
Baking
powder.
baking powder.
And detergent. And we mixed it.
So 3 ingredients.
Yes.
Do you need a stir, mix it?
Yeah.
Or
I already said that.
And do you need to leave it alone for like 10 or?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, that's good. Oops, I don't like waiting. Poor slime. Okay, so
And you can put any color you want.
have fun.